Assalamu alaikum ji. I'm Zulfikar Ali from HR Consultants. Today, HR Consultant is live with Monash University, Australia. Monash University is one of the most vital partner universities of HR Consultant. Well, I'm going to introduce you uh, Ms. Sunila Naqvi, Country Manager of Pakistan. Thank you very much, Ms. Sunila.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. We are going to discuss about Monash University ranking, location, courses, entry requirements, fee structure, intakes, scholarships, accommodation options, and the special arrangements for the Pakistani student due to COVID-19. First of all, now over to you, Ms. Sunila. Can you please tell us more about Monash University, short facts and the reputation?
Absolutely. Monash is located in Melbourne, Australia. It is ranked in the top 100 universities in the world. We have jumped up 3 places to 55 for our 2021 QS ranking. It is also part of the Group of 8. Group of 8 is Australia's 8 best research-intensive universities. They're also similar to what you will find as the Russell Group or the Ivy League in in the US. Monash is ranked in the top 8 universities in Australia as well. With regards to programs, most of our programs are also ranking-wise known to be in the top hundreds or in the top 50s. Specializations are in the top 50s. We have 4 campuses in Australia, and we have a campus in Malaysia, India, China, and Italy. We also have partnerships with institutions worldwide, where we offer exchange programs and study abroad experiences for our students.
Well, can you please tell us about most popular courses for Pakistani students?
Yes, so in Pakistan, typically students tend to go towards business, engineering, and IT. You will find programs within both undergrad and postgrad. With undergrad programs, हमारे पास double degrees भी होती हैं. Double degrees are 2 full degrees that students can complete within the same time period. And it usually only adds 1 year or 2 years to their total program. So they can do a Bachelor of Business and a Bachelor of IT at the same time. Students prefer करते हैं कि वो Monash आए क्योंकि हमारी इतनी extensive range है double degrees की. And that way it enhances their career. They don't just have the skills of an IT person, but they have the management skills of a business person. And it opens up 2 separate career options, but also an enhanced career option, and preference might be given to them solely because they have the skills that not every IT student will have. Then we have we have postgrad programs as well. We've got a Master of Advanced Engineering, Master of Professional Engineering, and we have business programs, just specialized bhi hai, and there's comprehensive courses, and then there's specialized courses. Comprehensive are more broader range. You will find a Bachelor of IT, a Bachelor of Business. These are comprehensive courses. Students, if they're not sure what they want to do or they want to keep their option open, understand each topic and then pursue a major, that comprehensive course is for them. Lekin agar student knows from the beginning कि उनको economics ही पढ़ना है या उनको accounting ही पढ़नी है, तो then they go for a specialist course, and you will find these both in undergrad and postgrad programs. We also have a Bachelor of Engineering, and it has almost every engineering specialization. What's good about our Bachelor of Engineering is that the first year is a common first year. So it allows the student to choose which major they want to go to. Maybe in the beginning, they're not sure, or they might think that they want to go to civil, but once they start studying the first year, they want to go to electrical. So that's especially another reason why Monash Engineering stands out as well. So see, these are some of the common programs that Pakistani students go for. Then we do have some students going towards the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. And a common course there is media communication, which Pakistani students often prefer to go. So we have that as well. And we have a Bachelor of Arts, which has more than 41 majors in it for students to choose.
Wonderful. Well, अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए जितने भी लोग हमें ऑनलाइन देख रहे हैं, अगर आप लोग अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं या लाइव कॉल में आना चाह रहे हैं, प्लीज फील फ्री टू कांटेक्ट मी. माय कांटेक्ट नंबर इज 0346 4747020. हम मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए आपको एडमिशन में और उसके कोर्सेज के बारे में फैसिलिटेट करेंगे, आपकी क्यूरीज के आंसर्स करेंगे. Sunila, is there something at the university that could help student to pursue job and internship?
Yes, so first we have a career department known as Career Connect. This is a department made to facilitate students not just in finding themselves a job, but enhancing their skills, building a resume, building their cover letters, and building any skills that employers might need, apart from helping them in looking for internship opportunities. This is something that students can go to this career department and they can attend workshops. The other thing that faculties offer is often they'll offer paid or unpaid work opportunities. Business faculty, engineering, they offer something called work integrated learning, where you can find yourself a placement with one of their partners. And while you're studying, you can work and gain experience. This benefits you because at times you could possibly be hired by the same organization you're working for if they're happy with you. Otherwise, it's good for your resume. The IT faculty has something called industry-based learning. This is a 6-month work experience that is paid. All students have to go through this. It is mandatory. And but unfortunately, not all students are able to get themselves a placement at the industry partners. Students who do get this placement get $18,000 for a scholarship. Students who don't get a placement with the partners will be given the work experience on campus, but not the scholarship. It is obviously competitive, but we get very bright students from Pakistan. So about 70% of students can land themselves a work placement. Then engineering has CPD, which is mandatory. It is part of the program and they have to complete a certain amount of work hours. So throughout the programs and separate from them, students can pursue a lot of work opportunities जो उनको बाद में benefit भी करती हैं.
Right. पाकिस्तान में जिस तरह बैचलर स्टूडेंट बच्चे पढ़ रहे होते हैं, उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या वो बच्चे अपने बैचलर डिग्री को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं मोनाश में?
They can absolutely. Students do go for credit transfers. The only thing credit transfers का सिर्फ ये होता है कि हमें पूरी transcript देखनी होती है and we have to assess कि आपका और हमारा कितना equivalent है. So it's not as simple as making a judgment कि आपने 2 semesters पढ़े तो आपको 2 off मिलेंगे. We have to go through an assessment. But yes, students want to do credit transfers, they can apply.
Right. What are the tuition fee plus additional cost for each semester? Just roughly idea students के जानने के लिए जो बच्चे मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं वो अपना फी का भी फोकस कर सकें.
Yeah. So हमारी typical fee range करती है 33,000 Australian dollars to 48,000 Australian dollars per year. So about 20, the maximum is about 24,000 per year. जो engineering, IT, business के programs हैं ये ज़रा 48,000 के mark के करीब ही हैं. फिर sciences, arts के जो programs हैं they're closer to 33 to 40,000 dollars per year. उसके अलावा we estimate 25,000 per year of a living cost. This goes high or low depending on where the student is spending and where they're choosing to live and everything. So any other expenses depend on the student, of course. But yeah, that's the tuition fee.
Well, thank you. How many intakes do you have in a year?
We have 2 intakes, February intake hai or July intake hai. For next year, February will start early March. जो July intake हमारी upcoming है वो August, first week of August में start होगी. Most programs do get offered, दोनों intakes में offer होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ programs हैं जो सिर्फ February as in semester 1 में offer होते हैं, like business analytics it's only in February, medicine program है only in February, I think MBA is also only in February. So some programs, but most options are open for both intakes.
ठीक है. मुझे बताइएगा कि पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या bursaries and scholarships available हैं?
Scholarships. So there are 2 main scholarships at the university. एक है Monash International Merit Scholarship and दूसरी Monash International Leadership Scholarship. The leadership scholarship is 100% tuition fee covered, but it is only offered to 4 students in the entire world for the entire year. The other one is 10,000 per year, offered to 31 students in the entire world for the entire year. They require students to have a full offer from the university. And once students have a full offer, they also need to be high achievers before they can apply for these scholarships. उनको एक ऐसे सबमिट करना होता है, स्कॉलरशिप्स के राउंड्स होते हैं, यूजुअली हर इनटेक से पहले 2 या 3 राउंड होते हैं, और जो स्कॉलरशिप की टीम है, दे मेक एन असेसमेंट एट ईच राउंड फॉर ऑल द एप्लीकेशंस दैट केम इन. सो अगर अपकमिंग राउंड इज जुलाई 15 फॉर एग्जांपल, इट्स प्रॉब्ली नॉट, बट जुलाई 15 है, तो जुलाई 15 तक जो एप्लीकेशंस आएंगी वो जुलाई 15 के बाद असेस करके स्टूडेंट्स को they will give the, so they have three options to submit applications. There's no solid deadline, but एक last होती है intake की, उससे पहले करना होता है. They have to submit an essay. They have to make sure they stand out in the essay and talk about why this program, why at Monash, and how, you know, it will benefit them, it will benefit the university and the society. Because, you know, to be given especially the 100% scholarship, you have to stand out somehow for them, because everyone applying is a high achiever. Apart from these scholarships, we have an engineering scholarship as well for undergrad students, which is 10,000 per year. ये completely merit based scholarship है, जो A-level students करते हैं, जो IB करते हैं, ये उनके लिए specifically है. A-levels requires 14 points, which is 2 A's and 1 B final grade. और prediction, आजकल prediction चल रही है, तो 3 A's की prediction में student is eligible for the scholarship automatically. So if the student has these grades, they will get the engineering scholarship. We also have a scholarship for high achievers for Masters of Professional Engineering, which is also 10,000 per year. और ये faculty assessment करती है when they see the grades and the GPA on who's the high achiever and everything. But generally, you want to make sure your GPA is above 3.5, 3.6 or so. Then we also have study grants. Study grants are one-time payments that are made for the first year only. They are split between semester 1 and semester 2. Abhi July intake ke liye hamare paas study grant hai of $10,000. The students who are coming to Monash who have a full offer and no other scholarship will automatically get the $10,000 study grant. You do have to request for it, but and it will be 5,000 off the first semester or 5,000 off the second semester. So these are the scholarships that Monash has right now.
Right. Are there separate deadlines for the admission and scholarships applications?
Yes. So scholarship ki, as I mentioned, those 2 scholarships have separate deadlines. Study grants ki, as long as the student has an offer, we can put in a request for the study grant, provided that it is available, because study grants first come first serve होती हैं. जो university की application deadline, apart from programs like medicine या MBA, most programs, if hypothetically in the current situation, given that the courses are online, you could apply a week before and still get in. So, you know, that's okay. लेकिन in the case जब visas and everything, all of that is, तो हम उसको mind में रख के आपको apply करना चाहिए. वैसे तो 1 month before is okay as well, but we are like to give students the idea कि आप 2 महीने पहले तक apply करें, ताकि आप visa भी apply करें और time से आपको visa आ जाए.
Well, इसका मतलब ये है कि पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट इंटरनेशनल जो स्टैंडर्ड स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं उसके लिए भी एलिजिबल हैं, और जो आपकी ग्रांट इशू हो रही है उसके लिए भी एलिजिबल है, लेकिन टाइमली आपको अप्लाई करना, ऐसे ही?
Yes.
Does the Monash University require an English proficiency test like IELTS, PT or TOEFL, and what is the minimum requirement?
Yes, so it is mandatory for students to complete for master's level. It is mandatory for them to complete any of our given tests. Mostly students go for IELTS. IELTS 6.5 overall, 6 in each band is required. जो undergrad student है जिसने A level किया या IB किया है, a grade C in O level English is sufficient for English language proficiency, provided it was completed within the last 2-3 years. But अगर कोई intermediate background से आ रहा है, तो they also have to complete IELTS. They would have to go through college, or college की IELTS requirement, I believe, is 6 overall and 5.5 in each band.
Right. So मैं कुछ requirements की तरफ चाहूँगा, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में year 12 के भी student हैं, A levels के students भी हैं और bachelors के भी student हैं. So first of all मैं जानना चाहूँगा what are the admission requirements for year 12 student, जो intermediate के हमारे student हैं, उनके लिए मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या ऑप्शन है? आया वो डायरेक्ट मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी में जा सकते हैं या फिर उनको मोनाश कॉलेज के थ्रू जाना?
Yes, so unfortunately, intermediate students cannot get directly into the university. they have to go through Monash College. Monash College offers foundation year and it offers diploma programs. Foundation year is a generic, basically it's equivalent to year 12. And foundation year करने के बाद student can apply to any of the programs at the university, provided कि उनकी percentage meet कर रही है. जो diplomas हैं वो बहुत specific हैं. There's like diploma of IT है, diploma of business है. वो सिर्फ आपको उसी faculty की तरफ लेके जाएगा. So students have to choose what they want to do. If they know they want to pursue business, तो वो diploma की तरफ जाते हैं. And if they're not sure, they want to keep options open, तो वो foundation year की तरफ जाते हैं. There is one way that intermediate students can get directly into the university is if their percentage is really high and they give a SAT. तो उससे उनकी directly university SAT आप जब brochures में देखेंगे या online देखेंगे उसमें जो SAT requirement है, you want to make sure that yours is higher than the requirement we have, because intermediate, again, like I said, is not a qualification we recognize for the university. So that's why if they want to supplement it with SAT, they need to have a higher score than what we require.
And A-levels के student के लिए क्या requirement है direct entry के लिए?
So A-level can get directly into the university, into any of our bachelor's programs. A-level depend करता है, हर program की different entry requirement होती है. Usually score लिखा होता है, which is like, for example, 8 है, so that's 2 C's and 1 D. A and A star is 5, B is 4, C is 3, and so on. So a score needs to meet for a maximum of 3 subjects, and that's how they get in. Some courses will have prerequisites like chemistry, physics, and math. So students need to make sure that they are meeting this. If it says year 12, they need to meet this at A level. And if it says year 11, then they usually, sometimes math ki requirement hoti hai, they need to meet this at O level. So that's for A levels, and kabhi IB students hote hain, और उनका भी score लिखा होता है, उनका जो simple process है, they already have a score, they just need to meet the score.
Well, what is the minimum percentage required for the bachelor student, like 16 years of qualification? जिन बच्चों ने bachelor degree यहाँ पे की है 4 years की, उनके लिए क्या percentage होगी?
So typically हमारे जो programs हैं उनकी percentage requirement 60% होती है, Australian equivalent. Engineering है उसकी 65 है. Some of the other programs can go up to 70 and more. So जब student apply करते हैं हमारे पास, तो we make the assessment based on their transcript and their grading scale, और हम उसकी equivalency करते हैं according to our percentages. So I want students to keep in mind that 60% yours might not be equivalent to 60% ours, but send it over and we'll make the assessment. Often it is equivalent.
Right. Means के पाकिस्तान से अगर बच्चे के 60% marks भी हैं, तो वो मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए एलिजिबल है. वो डिपेंड करेगा, जब यूनिवर्सिटी की एडमिशन टीम असेस करेगी तो वो यूनिवर्सिटीज के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको डिसीजन मिलेगा इसी तरह से. राइट. सो इसमें मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि मिस मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी क्योंकि टॉप रैंक इन द वर्ल्ड है, तो कोई स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द एडमिशन हो, लाइक आप स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस आपको चाहिए, कोई इंटरव्यू आप करना चाह रहे हैं, रेफरेंस लेटर्स हैं, कोई सप्लीमेंट्री फॉर्म्स हैं, कोई स्पेसिफिक कोई रिक्वायरमेंट्स मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए? क्योंकि स्टूडेंट जब अप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं तो देयर रिलेक्टेंट के जी बहुत सारी चीजें रिक्वायर्ड होंगी मोनाश के लिए, तो वो भी एक चीज देखने में आती है, तो उसके ऊपर कुछ बताइएगा.
Our application process is quite simple. Students need to make sure that they meet the entry requirements. There is no compromise on the entry requirements. Apart from that, IELTS key documents, statement of purpose, yes, we ask because we need to understand why you're applying to the program. Usually अगर students masters level पे जा रहे हैं, उन्होंने bachelor's और masters के बीच में work experience किया है, we need to see employment letters, we need to see proof of employment, we need to see again why a student is pursuing so and so program and if their employment is relevant to it. फिर obviously any interviews students के हम कर सकते हैं, but not every student is required to go through an interview process.
ठीक है. जस्ट एक क्वेश्चन मेरे पास स्टूडेंट का है, उसमें स्टूडेंट ये पूछ रहा है कि अगर पाकिस्तान से मैंने 4 years इंग्लिश मीडियम में किया हुआ है और मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो इंग्लिश है, आया वो एक्सेप्टेबल है मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी में?
No,
कि उसे आइल्स लगाना पड़े?
Unfortunately, from Pakistan, any university, we don't accept the English proficiency letters. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने एक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री में अपनी डिग्री की है विद इन द लास्ट आई बिलीव 2 years, सेम थिंग, दे हैव टू हैव ग्रेजुएटेड विद इन द लास्ट 2 years, तो वो अपना वो इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दे माइट नॉट हैव टू गिव आइट्स, देयर इज नो गारंटी, इट वुड बी एन असेसमेंट, लेकिन पाकिस्तानी यूनिवर्सिटी से एट द मोमेंट नहीं, दे हैव टू गिव आइट्स.
वेल, स्टूडेंट का मोस्टली बड़ा कॉमन क्वेश्चन होता है क्योंकि ऑन कैंपस रहने की ख्वाहिश होती है बच्चों की, तो क्या रेजिडेंशियल फैसिलिटीज मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड करता है स्टूडेंट्स को?
Yes, so Monash Clayton campus has most of our residences. They are very state of the art, but they cost about $250 dollars per week for the rent. These are very state of the art. They're private residences in a sense that you don't have to share with anybody else. You get your own little bathroom, kitchenette, your own living space basically. और हमारे एक दो residences हैं जो traditional style हैं that you find in the US or Canada, which is more of a sharing. So it depends on which the student prefers. There is a cafeteria on campus as well, and Monash actually serves a lot of halal food. I like to mention this Pakistani students के लिए especially because ये हमें matter करता है. So there's eateries at the university and there's a cafeteria as well. The cafeterias, has affordable food and they have a set menu. So all of these places, a lot of these places, I won't say all of them, but they have halal food. Apart from that, residence is right on campus, means you just, go walk across to your classes. We do have residences at one of our other Melbourne campuses as well, but, it does become a little distant for some students if they're studying at Clayton. So residences are very competitive to get into as well. First come, first serve basis wala hota hai, and they run out quickly. So agar students ko interest hai residences mein, they need to apply well in advance and make sure that they secure their spot. And they don't need an offer from the university. They can secure their spot without an offer. So agar unhone wait kare ki unko offer mile, wo pehle apna spot secure kar sakte hain.
Well, so at the last, I would like to know special arrangement for the Pakistani student due to COVID-19. क्योंकि पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट सबसे ज्यादा ये पूछ रहे हैं कि इस COVID-19 में यूनिवर्सिटीज हमें क्या फैसिलिटेट कर रही है, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कुछ हमें गाइड करें कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बता सकें.
So I'll start with the compassionate hardship package that Monash had. This was for current students, jo already Pakistani students, and basically this applies to everybody. They went to Australia and then unfortunately there was a lockdown and everything. So students were offered up to 7,500 each as a support. There are online classes now, and we understand that this is a typical learning environment nahi hai students ke liye. So university is doing its best to accommodate every student. This means that your professors are available, often they can be available. From the feedback jo maine students se suni hai jo abhi padh rahe hain wahan pe, professors are available, they help you out even if it's off hours. Not that obviously. Then there is services like online coaching. There is peer mentoring. There is peer assisted study sessions where a senior student will help the junior students who are coming in. फिर उन्होंने अपने काफ़ी platforms all students के लिए create किए हैं so that students can stay connected with each other and within the community. They can make friends and also understand you would say, I guess, communication skills before they even enter Australia. Library services are being offered online, and there are also online activities that are being run by the residences, by the student associations to, like I said, keep students engaged so that they have a good online experience.
Well, मीन्स के पाकिस्तान से जो बच्चे हैं वो जुलाई इनटेक को भी फोकस कर सकते हैं और फरवरी 2021 को भी फोकस कर सकते हैं. अब वो डिपेंड कर रहा है ड्यू टू COVID-19. जुलाई की जो इनटेक होगी वो डेफिनेटली ऑनलाइन की तरफ जा रही है
जी.
और जो फरवरी 2021 है वो एक्सपेक्टेड है कि जी ऑन कैंपस क्लासेस होंगी.
Yes, we are hoping.
तो ठीक है. मैं अपने व्यूवर्स को ये बताना चाहूंगा कि मोनाश यूनिवर्सिटी वन ऑफ द टॉप रैंक यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हैं तो एप्लीकेशंस ओपन हैं फॉर फरवरी 2021 के लिए। स्कॉलरशिप्स अवेलेबल हैं। फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे हम एप्लीकेशंस को कंसिडर करेंगे। और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जितने स्टूडेंट के प्रेडिक्शन ग्रेड के साथ रिजल्ट्स आ चुके हैं वो आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन को प्लेस करके ऑफर सिक्योर कर सकते हैं। मिस सुनीला, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम। इट्स अ वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन फॉर अस। और इससे रिलेटेड अगर हमारे पास एप्लीकेशंस और क्यूरीज होंगी हम आपसे कांटेक्ट करते रहेंगे और आपसे क्वेश्चंस करते रहेंगे। और
Okay.
वंस अगेन
Thank
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम।
Thank you.
थैंक यू।